Hey YouTube, Carl's Cards here. Got a 2024 Phoenix Football Blaster to break. Haven't done a vid in a while, but figured I'd get something to rip. You get 3 parallels. You can get a Color Blast, Case Hits, Autos. So hopefully get something. So we got 6 packs, 4 cards per. Got McCaffrey, Kyron Williams, Laser Brock Purdy, and a Theo Johnson for the Giants. Foye, Bobby Wagner, Stafford, Bell. Jalen Thompson, Mosley, Mozart, Sweat, Remar packs. We got Jordan Love, Derek Carr, Blake Corum, rookie, Jackson. We got AJ Brown, Austin Eckler, Jaquan Jackson, Laser, rookie, Braylon Allen, rookie. Last pack. Looks like we got something. Jacoby Brissett, Trey McBride, Latham, rookie. So rookie orange, Bengals. Chris Jenkins, orange. Not numbered. Not the best blaster. Some rookies. A couple parallels, but thanks for watching and peace.